In this video, we are going to construct a congruent triangle. So we need to start with a triangle on our paper. And I'm going to name this triangle ABC. A, B, C. And then the other thing I'm going to start with is a line segment. This is usually how they set up the problem. They give you a triangle and then they ask you to construct a congruent triangle over here on this line segment. And specifically, the directions are going to say something like this. We are going to construct triangle RST so that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle RST. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to start with point A, and I'm going to place the image of point A somewhere on the line segment. So A is corresponding to R based on our congruence statement, so I'm going to put R on the line segment. The next thing I'm going to do is figure out where to place the image of point C. And point C, the image will be T. So I need to measure the length of segment AC. Okay. And then I'm going to move my compass point over to R and mark that length off on my segment. And so this point here will be the image of C, which again is point T. So I've got one side of my triangle constructed. So next we're going to do a segment or side AB. I'm going to measure that side with my compass. And I'm going to mark off an arc where point B can be located. So I'm going to move my compass point to R and draw a nice arc here. And so I know B is going to be somewhere on this arc, I'm just not sure where yet. So in order to figure out exactly where B, or the image of B will be located, I've now got to measure the third side of my triangle. And I'm going to move my compass point to the image of point C, which is T. And I'm going to draw another arc. And where those two arcs intersect is going to be the image of point B, which is S. And then I just need to draw my remaining two sides of my triangle. Now this construction we did basically using side, side, side congruence. So we could say that these triangles are congruent by side, side, side congruence. And the reason is because we constructed this triangle by measuring each of the three sides of our triangle and copying over congruent segments.